Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a quick get ready with me with my hair, makeup, and outfit. I'm starting on freshly washed hair, just applying some product to that, some leave-in conditioner, and blow drying it out. The hair I'm using is from the beauty supply store. I think it's $7.99. All the products I use will be linked in the description box. This carrot butter smells so good. It is so pleasant. I'm just molding my hair with some product. This is a really quick and easy style, especially for the summer. The hair does tangle up a lot, so that's something you should keep in mind. I didn't want this tutorial to be super long, so I'm speeding through. What I did is section my hair, molded that with some product, and then I applied the crochet hair to a rubber band and apply it to both sections. The front, I'm going to do a little leave out, if you will. I'm just twisting those in two flat twists just to give you a little bit of interest. And I am wrapping the hair to create like a space bun. This does not have to be perfect, guys. I think the messier the better, honestly. So just take your time and do it as you will. Again, this is quick and easy, in and out. I was done with this within like 10 minutes, honestly. Once I get those buns where I wanted them, I just went in with some bobby pins and secured the hair to my natural hair. I don't like a lot of tension, so I just use 3 pins on each side, and it is looking pretty nice. I am going to dip the front of those braids in some hot water, and that's what you see me doing here. Going in with some edge effect. I do not know how to do edges to save my life, so I am just laying this baby down to the best of my ability. Just starting off my makeup with some Naturium products. I love that brand. Again, everything will be linked in the description box. I do apply that along with my moisturizer. I also moisturize my lip with some Vaseline. I am terrible at brows. Do not come for me. But yeah, this is a quick tutorial. I go in with two foundations because I cannot find my perfect shade. And that's what you see me applying over here. A little bit of concealer, some Laura Mercier powder, and a little bronzer. I have hit pan on this Jovia's Place bronzer. I really love this product. Yeah, just everyday simple makeup look. Applying some blush. Blush is my favorite makeup product, so I do go a little heavy with that. Applying some falsies. I got these from Amazon. Everything will be linked below. A little Fenty mascara on those falsies. And I do go in with Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. I absolutely love this as well. Back to the hair, I'm going to dip that into hot boiling water. I'm just using my steamer. Just dipping that in the water to get that curl. Nothing too crazy. And this is what it's looking like. I really love this hairstyle. It's quick, it's easy, it's cheap, and you can do a lot of different variations of this style. You can choose to just leave the hair um, as a two ponytail. You don't have to do it in a space bun, so I do like the versatility of it.
Wait, come and say hi, guys. She told me to come back and say hi. Just get the voiceover.
This is my assistant, guys.
I take all the pictures. She's learning how to make the videos without me because I'm going off to college soon.
Oh,
class of 2027.
My heart.
My heart. Okay.
That was my daughter. She is my assistant. She helps me a lot, but she's a senior this year, so I don't know if you are a mom. Drop in the comment section how do you feel about your kids going off to college. I still have a year remaining, but I am starting to feel sad but happy at the same time. I'm happy for her, but It's going to be so lonely without her for sure. I'm just going in with some lip product. This is MAC Chestnut Lip Liner. I will be following that with Ruby Wool by MAC as well. Just a simple lip combo. Well, it's a red lip. I don't know how simple that is, but I am not the makeup guru. I do my makeup just to satisfy me. I am not the one to come to for makeup tutorial. I don't think I am good at makeup, but I do what I can. We are almost done. Yeah, I got these earrings from Akira and I thought they were so fun, so cute, playful, perfect for the summer. And I am going to be heading to a 4th of July event. So I thought the red and gold earring will be a good fit. Just doing some final touches. I did go ahead and apply some hair jewelry. Again, everything is going to be linked in the description box. I got this dress from Target. Guys, this is a Target dress, and let me tell you, this was so beautiful. These are some pictures from the event, and that is all I have. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.